Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a bat. Let's start by drawing his head and just draw a curved line first, and then this is going to flatten out a little bit here towards the front and the nose. Let's curve this down and back this way for the mouth, and just a slight line right below that. Okay, and there'll be like a tooth right there. It's hard to see. Anyway, let's continue on with the jaw part. Just curve line below, and then a slight line just to the right here where we're going to frame the nostril. So just behind here then will be the eye. Just a circle and a highlight and blacken the eye. Let's continue on with the neck here. We're going to start curving down, and the body's going to reach down to about here. So we're just going to draw a curved line like that. Okay. So let's draw the ear first, the one ear. From the top of the head, draw a curved line to the tip, and then another curved line on the other side. So next we'll go ahead and draw the other ear. Just a straight line basically, and then the tip will curve outward for the other side of the ear, and now we can draw the back of the ear to give it some form, and it just goes down and meets with the other ear. We'll finish the back of the ear after we finish the wing. So let's go ahead and start drawing the wing. So first we're going to draw his arm. So coming from the back of the head here, let's continue this line first to show the head. We'll curve this line first, and then it's going to go straight out to the elbow, and then this is going to go up. So draw a line going up, and then curve in a little bit and round off the end. Next, we'll skip a space here and draw the other side of the arm down to the elbow, and then we're going to go back to the body here, but we're going to flare out so it's a little bit wider to the armpit area. And now we can draw the body, finish off the body here. So we're going to curve the back and head back this way for the leg, curve out the end, and then back up. So from here, let's draw the leg. Just draw a line going out first, and then the other side. So now this will bend out, finish off the leg right there. We'll draw the other leg now. From here, just draw a couple lines that go down, more of an angle from the other leg, and round off the end. Okay, so from here, let's draw the wing. From here, we're going to have 3 parts that branch out. Draw a big curve that goes out to here somewhere. Say like that. And then this is going to come to a point. So we're going to go back here. So I'm just going to start from here though. Parallel to a point. And then this is going to go out here, the second one, right about here. So let's do that. Again, just a gentle curve, and give it some thickness again, and come to a point. Finally, the third part goes down to about here. We'll draw another curved line, slight curved line, and again we'll give it some thickness. So now we can finish off the wing by drawing curved lines that connect the ends. And then the bottom part then connects to the back leg. So this will curve up a little bit here first and then back down. Just like that. And then the other part here connects to the back leg. We're going to make a curve here and go down here for the tail right here, and then go back up to kind of like the knee. Alright, so let's draw the other arm and wing. So from here we're going to curve up this way to about right up here. So here's the top of the one wing. The top of the other wing will be right here. So actually we can start right here at this dot. We're going to curve out first and then back to this ear. So curve out and then back to the ear. And before we forget, let's finish off the back of this ear with just a line, kind of like here. Goes down and then to the arm. From the tip of this wing then, we're going to curve in this way. Okay, and then see this part right here, the leading edge of the arm, it's going to be over here. So let's just go ahead and kind of indicate that. So then this wing, we'll see the back side of the wing this time. So we'll continue this line here this way behind the ear, and then another line that flares out a little bit and then curves back in. So flares out and then curve back in. So now we can finish this line to meet. Next, I'll just give the ears a little bit of thickness here with a thinner line, thinner pen. Add a little bit of detail lines here now. So I'm going to make this shadow line and right here underneath the neck, and it's going to continue here over to the back, and then a couple shadow lines here because this part's going to be more in shade, darker tones, and finish off this body line too before I forget. And also draw a shadow line here for the arm, and maybe for the wing back here. And I'll be coloring this as well, and we can work on shading a little bit more as well. Little shadow line right there maybe. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and outline some of this so that I already have two thicknesses of line here, but I'm going to add a third, and this will just make it a little bit more dramatic. Okay, so what I did here was I made the main body parts a little bit thicker and outlined them a little bit more just so they stick out away from some of the detail lines. And the outline here is a little bit thicker just because it's a little bit closer, and I kept the outline of the farther wing just a little bit thinner just to kind of help it recede a little bit. And that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot for watching and have a great day. Bye.